Greetings. I am an anti-sin advocate. These videos are not edited. They are AI assisted and read from script. Today's subject is part 2 of All Things Made New. This inner vision transformation represents the fulfillment of humanity's ultimate purpose to reflect God's lawful will through sin-free living. When individuals collectively choose to align our lives with righteous behavior, the world becomes a mirror of divine presence and lawful harmony. The consequences of such widespread obedience to God's commandments will manifest in every aspect of human existence. Unity beyond division. Religion would no longer serve as points of contention or division against each other, but as unified paths guiding humanity to a shared goal. The diversity of beliefs, interpretations, and philosophies would fail, replaced by a singular commitment to righteous, sin-free living. This would not diminish individuality or one's choice of faith, but instead elevate humanity to a state where all deeds and actions flow from a pure, selfless intention to honor God's sin-free commandments of behavior. A new foundation for society. When righteous behavior governs the hearts and minds of individuals, a righteous order naturally spreads into the structures of society. Governance, education, economics, and interpersonal relationships will reflect fairness, justice, truthfulness, and compassion, triggered by righteous behavior. Crime, corruption, and strife will diminish as sin-free living becomes the norm, and the consequences of our righteous conduct creates conditions of peace and prosperity, making all things new. Self-initiated transformation. This is self-initiated transformation. The beauty of this vision lies in our personal initiative, which is definitely required. True change cannot be forced. It must come from within each one. As each person takes responsibility for our alignment with God's commandments, the collective transformation becomes inevitable. This self-driven approach to salvation ensures authenticity, as every singular act of righteous conduct stems from genuine conviction rather than external coercion. A reflection. This is a reflection of divine presence and glory of God. As all things are made new, we and the world will become a testament to God's presence and glory. This transformation is not just about societal improvement, but a return to the divine purpose for which humanity is created. By living sin-free, individuals and societies alike will reflect the perfection and order of God's kingdom on earth. In this new era, humanity will fully embrace God's creation, living in harmony with one another and the natural world. The promise that all things will be made new will be realized in the tangible reality of a sin-free sense of being. the tangible reality of a sin-free sense of being, as righteous behavior shapes every facet of existence. This is not just a vision for the future, but our present call to action. A reminder that the journey to making all things new begins with the choice we make today.